Hey guys, what's up? We're going to go ahead and do the drawing for the drone. Everybody that liked and shared our video and everything, their name went in the cup. So the winner of the drawing is Greg Jones is the winner of the drawing. So his name will go back in there. Oops. His name will go back in there, and I'm going to give it over to Seth, and then he's going to pull the person that the second runner-up for the photography session. Thanks for playing. Once again, the more we share stuff, go ahead and like our channel and share us, get us out there, and we'll be giving some more stuff away this next year, 2019. We'll probably have 5 or 6 more drawings. So appreciate everybody for entering, and hope you guys had fun.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Seth, photographer with Scarlet Drones, here to announce the runner-up winner for the photography session. So here we go. Alright. Jaylee Pierce is the winner for the photography session. Congratulations. Thank you all for participating. Please continue to follow us and support us. Have a great night and a Happy New Year.